Hi friends, it's Roman with you. Now we have to fix some small issues on the back. My plan now is to remove all these parts like tail lights, that one, so we will be able to easily paint that, fix it, and polish that all the parts together, yeah, in the garage, because the weather right now, it's autumn, you know, it's just impossible to do anything outside. So let's start taking that apart. And I will start with removing all those plastic trimmings, because I'm pretty sure that there will be some kind of hidden bolts and nuts, you know, they're always there. Like, how to remove it? Just look where you see those like small notches, yeah, and they will show you the way how it was put together and how it's supposed to be taken apart, yeah, just like that. Same approach, just gently pull it. Sometimes you need to help it a bit. Yeah, exactly. You just pull it and put away. So there are at least 2 hidden screws behind those plastic trims. There are 2 hidden screws in that handles. Yeah, just open that cover and there will be those screws. Either that is a very good quality plastic, or there are some hidden screws near those handles, you know, too solid. I mean, oh yeah, actually yes. So just like that, yeah or not? Yes or not? That's the question. One, and clip number 2. And what next? That was hard. So yeah, there are actually 2 clips, you see, so you need to like press them down, maybe reach with your hand, but still that holes were very tight. Not easy, but at least possible. And now that's kinda all. Yeah. Now we are interested in those bolts. They all are for 8mm socket, so just take a look. Let me show you 2 other bolts that are hidden. You see those 2. That what holds tail lights to a tailgate. Yeah, like those. And yeah, finally, yeah, 3 nuts and 2 bolts. Just to remember if you need to take that off. Tail lights on the tailgate are removed. Now we need to remove that top stop signal. First of all, disconnect it. Yeah, we don't want to break a wire. Now there's 4 nuts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, yeah. So now that we pulled it, there's a rubber grommet. Yeah, just gently push it to the side, and then you can take off your connector. And just like that, your tail light is removed. Now that we are done with lights, it's time to take those 2. Okay, I finally managed to release all those clips, and that's how you remove it. Yeah, those are very stubborn one on the edges and central one. Use a pair of pliers to compress them from inside. They are reachable. Not easy, but possible. Whew. And just like that, you can remove all those trimming. Yeah, for that episode, guys, thanks for watching. Keep tuned. See you in the next episode. Bye.